Hey everybody, welcome to Mike Oski's Kitchen. My name is Michael Shefsky. I'm the chef of this kitchen. And yes, I have my little Santa hat on. It's December 20th. In 5 days, gonna be Christmas. By the way, no video tonight, but I do have an announcement, okay? 2021's coming up really soon. And I always say, if you know me, that we can control the controllables. It's been a heck of a year in 2020. 2021 can be totally different, and I'm gonna try to make it different for myself, and here's where I need your help. I need you to help me stay accountable. This is what I'm setting forth in 2021, beginning January 1st. I'm starting this thing called 50 by 50. So that's the thing, for me, that's 50 pounds by my 50th birthday. My 50th birthday is in July 11th. So about 7 months plus some. So I need your help to stay accountable. Here's what I'm gonna do. Moving into 2021, we're gonna make fantastic meals every week, like we always have been, but they're gonna be healthy. There'll be all kinds of meals, like keto meals, South Beaches. There's gonna be paleo. There's gonna be all kinds, and we're gonna make some of the traditional dishes too, but we're gonna use the right ingredients. So I'm really gonna make it very, very, very deliberate. 2021 is my 50 by 50. Now here's where you can join. Hit subscribe or get your friends to subscribe. Let's get this together so we can keep each other accountable. And what we're trying to try to do is every week when I roll out a video, I'm going to tell you how many pounds I lost a week prior, okay? So that's my accountability, and I better be bringing some good news to you guys, because if not, then it's all going to just all go downhill, right? So, but what you can do is you can put your pounds, how much you lost. If you want to be a part of this, just let me know. Just say, I'm in the comment section, and then if I know you're in, we'll stay in touch throughout the week and we'll encourage each other. So here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go 50 by 50. We're gonna eat a lot better in 2021 because we can control the controllables, and that is a controllable, what we put in our bodies. And we're gonna exercise. I'm gonna do 20 minutes a day. So I encourage you to. Let's make 2021 the best year ever, coming out of whatever the heck we just went through in 2020. But let's make it better together, okay? We gotta do this as a group. I can't do it alone. I've failed so many times. I can't do it alone. I need your help. So keep me accountable, but this is what I'm going to promise you. Every single week, we're rolling out a good, healthy recipe that you can roll out to your families, okay? And start your own journey. Mine is 50 by 50. It's aggressive, but if you know me, if I'm going to do something, I'm going to go all in. And that's probably part of my problem, but I need your help to keep me accountable, okay? So Merry Christmas. Coming up in 5 days. Have a great Christmas with your family. No video next week on the 27th. We will come back and have a fresh new video with the 50 by 50 with Mike Oski's Kitchen on January 4th. That will be Sunday, the first Sunday. Here we go. Have a great holiday. Have a great Christmas. Thanks for everything this year. It's been a blast. I look forward to helping and continuing on this channel. And jump in. Remember, if you want to comment on this, say I'm in, and I'm going to keep you accountable as long as you keep me accountable. Get your friends to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. We're going to have a blast. We're going to do this together. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you in 2021. Mike Oski's Kitchen loves you, and I love you. Na zdrowie.